All right, so I'm gonna do a maintenance on this unit here. It's a Linux package unit. See, there's our data plate. It's from 2012. We're doing a cooling maintenance. It's going to consist of checking our blower, our start components, our filters, clearing out the drains, checking refrigerant charge. These units were cleaned as far as the condenser coil. These units were cleaned yesterday. So today is just preemptive checks and seeing what's going on. Making sure we are cooling as efficient as possible for this particular unit. And make sure we're ready for the summer. Be back. Alright, this is our standing pressure. Outdoor temperature is 48 degrees. Let's see what we got going. Guess it don't help when the don't want any heat coming on right now. All right, boom. Let's see. All right, guys, here we go. Inner components, three-phase system, three-phase contactor. On the maintenance, you want to tighten up all of these connectors. You check your capacitor, which I just checked this one. It was changed in 2022. It's a 10. It's reading 10. You want to tighten up all your connectors. You want to check your coil. You want to check your ohm your coil out to check the ohm readings on that. As you can see on this one a little bit, it looks like it has some pitting, or it's just a little discoloration on the contactors here. Typically you would want to change this out. What else? Okay, yeah, and then here we have another contactor for the blower motor. I checked this one. This is a 10 microfarad is its rating, but we're reading like 8. Capacitor can be plus or minus 5%. We are below that 5% threshold, so this has to be changed out. Also, this UV light here is blown, so we'll recommend them replacing this. It looks like it's deteriorating the wiring, so I don't know about that. Also, you know, the drains, you want to make sure everything's clear. Yeah, I added some pan tabs down there, chlorine tabs. And then you want to vacuum out all this compartment here as well. Let's see here, and you also want to clean this out. And again, can't stress making sure your wire connections are tight. Even inside of the disconnect box, you want to make sure everything's tight, because this can be a real issue and can cause a lot of problems down the line. Loose connections.